Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change various nozzles, the other guns in PowerWash Simulator 2. So what you'll need to do is basically just hold it on number 1 on your keyboard and you will be able to change the power washing guns right here. So this is the foam sprayer, as you can see, and you can use as power washing tool, and if you click on one you can change that to this prime vista. So to change nozzles you can use scroll wheel, and as you can see you can add extensions by clicking on number 3. So that's pretty much it guys. That's how you use various power washing guns in PowerWash Simulator 2. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.